Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can change the aspect ratio of your photos in the Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. So, I'll start open the camera app of course, and here how you can see that we have a aspect ratio icon. Now just select your zeroed one. We can take a few photos to show you the difference between these modes. This is the full one on the full screen, 1:1, so this is the square. This is the default one. Sorry, it's working a little bit slow. And the last one, 108 megapixels. And how you can see, now we have photos in the virus mode of the aspect ratios. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.